I have to search. I didn't record it locally. So when the color is 0 that you want to be drawing, you will just copy whatever was there before. What I want to do now is I want to basically say, like, for the color 4, I want to not just here, when in the column 4. What do I want to do in a column 4? That's the question. Yeah, I want to just basically make everything transparent, technically, except... So this is currently what's happening. I'm not sure what I want to be happening. That's something that is yet to be determined. I want to change it into a table that looks, I think, like this. So when the color underneath is 0, then it should stay 0. No matter what I'm drawing. Yeah, like this, right? It should be like this. And this is going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, and 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3, 3, 3, 3, except this part here, when the color underneath is brown. And when that's the case, then I want whatever I'm drawing to show up. I think we are entering the situation where I have to look at my own videos. Because I made a video about this, right? I remember. Oh, that's so funny. I made a video about this. Now, this is so good. Introduction to Picotron. No, this is not the one. That's the long one. First look at Picotron. Yeah, that's good. That happened just a year ago. When exactly was it? January the 6th. Let me see, color tables, there it is. Oh, it actually used to be a lot more elaborate, huh? Okay, there we go. Okay, then we're gonna copy this code. This is good code. We can later optimize this, don't worry. It's going to be fine. Wait. I'm drawing it to the screen. Okay, do I do some changes somewhere? Oh yeah, I'm just showing how alpha transparency works. This is riveting. Watching me watch my own video. Okay. Oh yeah, I had a really good function for this. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna do a function Picotron, and then it's like C1, C2, C3, and then that function is poke 8000 plus C1 plus C2 2 times 64, comma C3, like this, right? Now, I'm not sure which one is the target and which one is the source. It's to be determined. But you know what? We can figure it out. Just like this. We don't. Let me. Because this is not that unuseful. Okay. Right. So let's go src trg, and then we're gonna go Picotron. Let's assume that this is the way, trg, and then I'm gonna go trg. Let's go. Okay, nothing changed, which is good. But that means we haven't broken anything. And if we do src, see, now it's broken. So this means we can use this for the reset function. I mean, there's probably, we can just memcopy it. Later on, we're going to figure out where to memcopy this over. Let's say you draw a blue box onto the brown pixels, and then you want to draw a number onto the blue box. Since the color table only allows for drawing on the color brown, it won't allow. Yeah, but I don't want to be doing that. That's fine. That's a good warning. But I don't think we're going to have that complicated drawing operations. The brown box, as I talked about, I just want to really have stuff where the brown stuff is. And we'll just have like some particle effects there. And they're going to be probably monochrome as well. So yeah, that makes no difference. Okay. So this is the reset dt, and then set dt. And then we're going to say source equals 4. So source is just always going to be 4. No, actually, no. So what do we want to do? If source equals 4, then else. So in all cases, we want, in normal cases, we want to ignore whatever you draw into it. But if the source is 4, then you actually want to have the normal reaction. Like this. So, and we do this, hopefully you can do this every frame. I mean, if not, then not, right? No harm, no foul. Again, we can do this a lot easier. I just want to make sure that this works okay. So let's run this. Okay, nothing changed, that's good. And then rect fill 0, 0, 128, 128. I'm just stuck in the Pico 8 mindset. Why is it black? It's not what I wanted. We did something wrong. No, it's not working, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay. So this potentially works, it just doesn't work. The set DT is making it, breaking it. Okay. This is weird. This is not what I expected. It's just black everywhere. That's the weird part. I would have expected. It seems like it's not behaving the way it's supposed to behave. Okay, let's do 8 here. Oh, wait, did I miss target equals false? That won't make. Yeah, maybe no. Wow, it's just like really the same, huh? The nested loop seems makes no sense to basic set source to 4 and do the, Yeah, I mean, I could just do one loop here, but I'm just looping through the entire table, and because I want to do manipulation potentially on the entire table. It's just like I can optimize it later, but for now, I just want to see something. And it's odd that I don't see it. Okay. Why is it black? Oh, wait. Okay, so if we set it to this, TRG, then it just does nothing. That's the weird part. No. So source should the way I understand, maybe I got something mixed up, but source should refer to the screen color that is already there on the screen, to the pixel color that is on the screen already. And target refers to the pixel the color of the pixel that you're drawing. And usually this is what the table looks like. At the coordinate of source and target, you always write the target. So you always overwrite whatever is on the screen with the pixel that you want to be drawing. And so what I wanted to do is I wanted to reset everything to the source. So the pixel that was already there. So just ignore everything except in the column of the brown color of the color number 4. For that one, I just want to accept all of the draw operations, and it seems not to be working. But again, maybe this formula is wrong, but it worked before, right? And it kind of works, right? It works when I reset it, it works. This is what bothers me. Yeah, weird. I'm checking with the code that I had previously, and that seems to be okay. You know what? Let's just copy the code I had previously, and then I'm gonna see if maybe there's some problem with Picotron. So how do I reboot? Okay. Let me look up the code. Where's the music? What's up with the music? So we're looping. Wait, not 663. I have to really establish some rules of how I do want to do spacing. Odd. That's weird. That doesn't look. That doesn't look like the way it looks in my code. So maybe something has changed, huh? Let's do a 4 times 4. Weirdly high numbers there. 193? Why 193? '93, '94, '95. What? Seems to be offset. Seems to be like some extra bytes have been set. Odd. No, I'm using the same code, so I'm not. I'm using the same code I did in the preview version, and that the preview version of Picotron resulted in like normal. So it seems like the numbers that we have in the color palette are in this table are shifted. There's like extra bits being set, right? So instead of 1, we have 193. So basically minus 191. Yeah. Like this, right? So now when you go 63, 63, you get this. Good. There's probably some, because the document has some like some of the, was talking about some kind of extra bits being set in the color, and seems to be like they're being written into the table, which is very confusing to me, but okay. Right, so we know that now. Does that help? What is this music? Oh, there was the main. Like this? Does that help? It did not help. I'm flabbergasted. Wait. Are we actually, yeah, set DT, reset DT. Oh man, what is happening here? What the? That's not working. It's broken. The indignity of it. It's not working. It's broken. Let's try this. Let's make it beautiful. It's like a get mouse function that I missed. Ah, it's just mouse, not get mouse. Okay. So let's see if we can replicate the behavior. Picotron 8, 12, 8, right? I don't have a Picotron here? Oh, I don't have a Picotron. Like this. Okay, so that just like straight up doesn't work. Do we see it? Have we written something? Oh, we actually haven't written anything in there, huh? Should be 8, 12. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, that would maybe explain why things are not working. Wait, up there? What? Oh, I made and. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. Okay, and now it's working. Okay, good. Did I make the same mistake? That would be not funny, that would be sad. Let me copy the sprite, it's a good sprite. Did I make the same mistake? On a... Please. No. $56. Oh! Oh, we found out the problem. The rectfill function just doesn't work the way the sprite function works. What? What is this? Rectfill doesn't seem to work the way sprite works? What? Why? See, this is what I wanted. No, actually, this is not what I wanted. I wanted to have... oh, by the way, can I just like work with 8? Yeah, it's fine. So what I actually want to now... Okay, so this is now should be src and this should be TRG. So now you see this only appears in the brown area now. See, this is correct. I don't know what the rectfill function does. And we'll send it to Zep. I don't understand. Yeah, but this is good. This is what we wanted, right? We wanted to have stuff appear in the brown place. Does it? Which other functions are is rect just rect affected? Yeah. Is circ? Yeah. Yeah, I'm assuming. Let's make it red so it's very clearly visible. Yeah. Weird. Yeah, so it seems like all those. Does print work? No. What gives? Only drawing the actual sprites works? Seems like something is broken. All right, so I will need to write a test case for Zep, and I will send it over to Zep, and I will ask him how that works. All right, so I think this will wrap today because we found some issues that we cannot resolve until that is clarified. But yeah, we made our Tetris is progressing. We have levels. This Tetris is speeding up. We have implemented a little bit of a better soft drop. Sound issues are still lingering. And now we have like this new issue. I mean, we could solve it differently, right? We don't have to use those draw palettes. There's different ways of doing this. For example, we could draw first the background and then draw all the stuff that we have here on top. And actually, that's something I might do if we can't resolve this issue. But I kind of wanted to use this new feature, so I'm disappointed that didn't work. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This was delightful. This was fun. I would love to try to do this more often. I don't know if I can make it work more often in December. I will try. And I will let you know if I can maybe establish some kind of schedule. It would be nice to have maybe like on the weekends, like always in the evenings and on the weekends to do this kind of stuff. I kind of like it. It's very chill. Once again, thank you so much for joining me, and see you next time around. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.